If you can find the products you want to sell, submit a sourcing request to us. Go ahead and click Add Sourcing under the Product Sourcing section. Upload the product image, add the descriptions, and click Submit to post the sourcing request. For sourcing your store's existing products, go to the Store Existing Product section. Select your store and products and click the Submit button to quickly post a product sourcing request. If you have successfully posted a product request, it will be displayed on the in-sourcing page. Our sourcing team will get back to you as soon as possible. Nihao will notify you via inside message or email for sourcing results, and they will be displayed on the corresponding success and failure pages. Get matching products on Nihao in the sourcing success page. Search it by SKU on nihaodropshipping.com and import it to your store. If you want to connect it to your existing product, click the Connect button to proceed to the next step.